Nice. A very nice job. You can put me down as a regular customer from now on.
We'll do it once a week, twice a week if you want. Thanks.
Here. Here's a brand new $2 bill.
Gee, thanks. Oh, boy, we're rich. What do we do with it? Come on, I can think of a million things. Look, Hank, they're so cute. For $2? Come on. Look, comic books. Nah, they're only for kids. How about a movie? Again? Hey, I know, the circus is coming. We can save it up and... My folks are gonna take me. Okay, you wanna split it? Let's look at here first. Okay.
Can I help you?
Nah, just looking.
Well, let me know if you need some help.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, just what we need. Yeah, we can make signs to tell people we're super cleaners. Yeah, let's get it. Okay. Let's buy this.
Okay. That's $1.85 with tax. Oh, a nice new one. That's $1.85, $1.90, $2. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Do you want to buy it?
Maybe. I gotta get a present for Mickey's birthday party this afternoon.
How much do you want to spend?
About $5.
How old's your friend going to be?
Mickey, 10, same as me. He's got a lot of toys and stuff, so I was kind of thinking of something different.
I might have what you want. Huh. We just got these in yesterday. What do you think of this?
What is it?
It's called Yesterday's Money.
Oh, yeah, we learned about this stuff in school. People used it before they had real money.
That's right. That's 2, 3, and 5.
I get all this change?
If you'd like something else to go with.
Wait a minute. I got a great idea. I bet you'll find it real fast.
Would you like me to gift wrap that for you?
Yeah, sure. Wow, this is great. And real money, too. Let's see it. What is it? Then come down here. Before they had money, that's what people used. Stones and salt and beads and shells. Mom?
Yes, dear?
Before they had real money, why did people use stones?
Well, they didn't have money like we have, and credit cards and checks, so they used the things that were valuable to them.
I wish we could use this stuff for money.
I do, too. Come on now, cake, everybody.
I can get this first. I want to put this into my savings.
$2, right?
Right.
What are you saving up for?
A skateboard.
That's a good idea.
The money's going to stay in the bank till I want to take it out, isn't it?
Well, probably not. Actually, your money will be loaned out to people so they can buy cars and homes and things like that. But when you want your money, the bank will have enough to give you. There you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Entonces, ¿puedes venir más o menos a las 2:30? Muy bien. Entonces, hasta mañana. Adiós.
How'd it work out?
Fine, the bank approved your loan.
Oh, great.
You'll sign right here and make it official?
The timing's perfect. Planning to open my new office this week.
Good. I have your passbook with the amount we agreed upon and your checkbook right here.
Oh, by the way, do you mind cashing a small check for me while I'm here?
Sure, no trouble at all.
I really do appreciate this.
Happy to help you.
Hey, if you ever need any building, just call me at the new office.
I'll keep that in mind.
Here you go.
Okay. I'll just okay this, and they'll be happy to help you right over there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hi.
I'd like to cash this, please.
How would you like it?
Oh, a couple tens and the rest in smaller bills.
Okay, fine. 10, 20, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too now.
Here he comes. Hi, Mr. Morton. Hi, Mr. Morton. Need your car cleaned or something?
Oh, now, come on, guys. It's only been 2 days since you did it.
We just thought maybe it needed a little brushing up. Or maybe went through a big puddle or something.
Sorry, kids. But I'll tell you what. I'm opening a new branch office down the road, and it has 2 big windows that could stand a good washing.
You're on.
Okay, how much you think it's worth?
Well,
How about, $2?
yeah. Okay.